Hi everybody. So now I would like to share my honest review as a newbie in Ecwid to set up our own Ecwid store page. So what is exactly Ecwid and how does it work? So Ecwid is a tool for building your own online store. It's a software as a service tool, meaning that you don't own the software but pay a monthly fee to use it. Much like other e-commerce platforms, Ecwid allow you to set up catalogs of products and add photos, pricing, weight for each. You can define shipping rates, accept credit cards, payments, and so on. All the key stuff that you expect to be able to do using an e-commerce solution, all this is done via a web browser. There's nothing to install locally. So as you can see right here, this is on the browser. So you don't have to download an Ecwid app to use Ecwid. So you can just browse on the Google engine and just basically type in Ecwid and you'll bring it to here. So Ecwid differs significantly from competing products like Shopify, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. However, in that it's not really designed to let you create a standalone e-commerce website. Rather, it's designed to allow you and add an online store to an existing online presence. So now, Ecwid pricing. As you can see, now for me, I start to use as a newbie and I'm subscribed to free plan in Ecwid. So I log in straight. So this free plan will have if you got only a few products to set up. In Ecwid for free plan, they only allow you to put up to maximum for 10 products. So Ecwid is actually entirely free, and it doesn't only say that you can use it for 14 days or like other places. You can use it free for as long as you want. Okay, so this is something of a unique selling point for Ecwid. Key rivals generally don't offer this sort of free functionality. The free plan is pretty basic with key features like discount coupons and the ability to sell digital goods being unavailable, and it only allows you to set up to 10 products in 2 categories. So you only allowed to have 2 categories in your Ecwid store page. But for merchants with simple requirement, this may actually be sufficient, and use the free plan is a good way to try the product out. So if you're totally a free newbie like me, never sell anything online before, so I think Ecwid is a good start, a good place to start up your online business, online platform. So Ecwid interface is pretty easy to use too. For my side, I think it's like many similar store builders. You get a vertical menu on the left which allow you to access key functionality. So as you can see, there's dashboard, my sales, catalog, marketing, reports, sales channel. We have overview, website, Facebook, mobile, other channels, and also design, payment, shipping, and pickup, setting, apps, and my profile. So there are many different options you can have. Uh, and also the area on the right is used to display or edit associated products, site content, and reports. So here you can do all the editing work over here. As with any e-commerce tool, you'll need to spend a bit of time getting your head around creating catalogs and products variants, setting up shipping rates, and so on. But all of this, you just need to go out to Google engine and search for the best product or other online e-commerce platform which are already selling to be your dropship item. Um, so the methods are helped by an onboarding checklist that is provided to you when you log in for the first time. So if you get stuck, however, you can always get in touch with Ecwid support team. So Ecwid support team is very helpful. If you have any problem, you can always message them or mail them or call up to them to lead you on how to set up your own store page in Ecwid. So more on later, or if you're on a business or unlimited, you can take advantage of the included customization service. You can get 2 hours and 12 hours of customization time from Ecwid on these plans respectively. So as for Ecwid summary, for my conclusion on Ecwid's website, so overall, Ecwid is a cost-effective, powerful way to add e-commerce functionality to an existing site, or to place an online store on a Facebook page or other social media presence. So Ecwid actually allows you to put on your Facebook page or any social media platform into your Ecwid store. So it will brings you automatically if your customer come into your Ecwid store page and they would like to review on your Facebook page. They allow you to put a link that bring your customer to the other social media platform. So if you're building a standalone site, there are better options available, but ultimately Ecwid does what it says on tin, lets you add e-commerce to any website and easily too. Ecwid deserves particular praise for the way it handles GDPR, cookies consent, and multi-currency selling. So Ecwid Store is actually a very good e-commerce website because it doesn't only like for us, we are in Malaysia, so it doesn't only come in ringgit Malaysia, but it's also come in USD, so United States dollar, or you want it to come in other currency, other country, it will automatically change from whereas you are using from which country, it will follow the currency over there. So next, there is however a bit of room for improvement when it comes to SEO. You'll find I will talk about the pros and cons. So for now, as you can see, Ecwid, there are many pros and many cons, and I'll give you a few examples from pros. A totally free Ecwid plan is available, which is fairly generous in terms of features because it's full of features. You can explore a lot of features in Ecwid. And next, we have Ecwid represent a very simple way to add e-commerce to any existing website. So this is also a advantage if you're using Ecwid as your e-commerce platform. So next, the product is cheap by comparison to other solutions. And next, we have a multi-currency selling. And then next, we have the store designs are responsive. So anything you do to the website or to the store page, everything you press is responsive. So next, we have this cons. Ecwid do come with cons too. So I will share like one or two. Okay, so if you want your Ecwid store to view on phone and you want it to really fit onto phone gadgets, okay, so phone support is only available on more expensive plans, whereas you have to pay for plans. So if you're using a laptop to do or use Ecwid, it will be much cheaper or free. So next we have there will be like there is a limited number of apps or integration available in Ecwid Store app. So it's not all that you can put in. Maybe you only can put one or two social media platform into Ecwid Store as a additional link or plugins. So, and also the free function or free version does not allow you access any of the SEO features. So it does have some lacking in features, but definitely Ecwid gives you the best or full function that you require as a new seller on e-commerce website. So I would like to rate Ecwid as a solid 9 because it already fulfilled me as a newbie on the Ecwid store page, as a new user on e-commerce website, and also that I feel I will also recommend that other users should definitely try Ecwid as their first e-commerce website to build their own store. So I hope you get my advice on and also my summary of how actually Ecwid works and what is the pros and cons you get from Ecwid if you are subscribed to their free plan or their monthly pay plan. So that's all for my summary, and I hope you have fun in Ecwid website. Thank you for watching.